always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on.
Welcome to Itnin Hub. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cook a paklay. So alam niyo na guys, paklay pang pulutan. So lagay tayo ng matika, tapos isusutin natin yung garlic saka onion. Okay? Ito yung mga sahog natin, garlic, onion, ginger, and a red bell pepper. Okay, so konti lang guys, kaya konti lang din toasting. So susutin natin to. So yung lulutuin natin na paklay guys, gumamit tayo ng lamang loob ng baka. Okay, yung parang tuwalya ng baka, saka atay ng baka, at saka tawag dito yung intestine. Sarap to guys, pampulutan. So sote lang natin ng maayos yung garlic saka onion, saka lagay natin yung ginger. Yun, para talaga mabango. Kasing bango mo. So sote natin ng maayos. Tuin natin yung so habang nagsusuti po tayo guys, wag po kayong makalimot na mag-like and subscribe, and i-press nyo na rin yung notification bell para updated po kayo sa aking mga bagong videos. Okay, mga bagong tutorial. So suti lang natin ng maayos yung lalabas talaga yung bango ng mga sahog natin. Okay, and now lalagay na po natin yung pinakuluan po natin to kanina. Okay, yung mga intestine, atay, saka yung parang tuwalya. So yung paklay guys, mga lamang loob to guys, lamang loob ng baka guys. So haluin lang natin ng mabuti para mawala yung dapat damihan natin ng onion saka garlic saka ginger. Kung optional naman guys, kung maglalagay kayo ng sili, lagay kayo ng sili para And cube saka magic guys. Na ngayon maglalagay tayo ng magic pang pasarap. And with cubes. Isang cubes lang. Yan yung mga sekreto ng ano. Magic and cubes. And ilalagay po natin yung red bell pepper. And of course meron din tayong yellow bell pepper. And salt. So, takpan po natin guys. Isisimmer na naman natin ng 2 minutes. Okay. Then, tapos na yung 2 minutes. Lagay po natin ng tomato paste. So, meron din tayong carrots saka sayote. Huwag natin kalimutan maglagay ng konting tubig para hindi siya didikit sa ilalim, sa pinakailalim. Ayan, maglalagay po tayo ng green chili. Okay, so uulitin ko yung chili po natin is optional lang kasi meron ding ano, hindi kumakain ng spicy talaga. So yun guys, ito. Luto na to guys. Ready to plating na tayo. Okay? Yun guys. So, malambot na, dapat siguraduhin yung malambot na yung lamang loob. Actually before natin niluto to is itong mga lamang loob to is pressure cooker namin, okay? So plating na tayo. Yun, sarap. Wow. So ito na guys ang final plating natin. And don't forget
Always do
to
it on my
subscribe
own, so I gotta get through it.
and
And the only thing I know
press
is to
the
love what I'm
notification
doing.
bell
Never
para
give up,
updated
never
po kayo
slow
sa
till I finally
ating
prove it.
mga
Never
bagong
listen to
videos.
the
Thank you
no's,
for
I just
watching
wanna keep moving. Keep my
and
head up when I
enjoy.
act.
Good
Head up,
luck.
that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, when you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems.